Good morning. It's Sunday morning, and I did a video yesterday on my Crypto Novus channel, and it was called China's Crypto Dominance. And I've been reflecting on the ramifications of the information that I discovered in doing that video. So I thought I'd take a minute to do a little bit of a rant and kind of discuss with you what I've been thinking and the importance of the underlying implications of that particular piece of information. You can check out the video on Crypto Nova's channel. It's about 8 minutes long, and essentially the video is talking about the United States concerns with China's dominance in the crypto space. And presently, China right now in its mining area, they are doing about 65% of the Bitcoin mining, and they are subsidizing they are subsidizing the miners in terms of their electrical costs. And so, U.S. Senator Tom Cotton and the U.S. Director of National Intelligence was encouraging the SEC chairman, John Clayton, to, hey, let's consider, coming up with some clear regulations on how people in the U.S. or how businesses in the U.S. can, in fact, advance forward and compete on a global level with cryptocurrency. The issue isn't cryptocurrencies. The issue really isn't blockchain. The issue really is global reserve currency. And in that article, what came up was China is really pushing to do their own CBDC, which is central bank digital currency. And as you started reading more in the article, there's other countries that are doing basically the same thing. And as we know, with all the stimulus that's going on, that the Federal Reserve is printing money, it is weakening the dollar. Obviously, the United States was on a gold standard back in the 70s, went off of that, went on to the petrodollar. We know the petrodollar's its run is coming to a close. And so now there's this big fight on who's going to control the globe, who's going to have control over the global reserve currency. China's clearly making a strong push for it. There's no doubt in my mind. And so for us that are in the crypto space, I think it's really well, in the crypto space or not, I think it's really important for us to watch this fight towards who's going to control it. Because whoever controls it is going to have a strong place in world power and in world dominance. And so as we're looking at politics and we're looking at finances and we're looking at blockchain, I think to consider these things is really important. Because it's going to give us an understanding of where things are going and how it's going to impact us and our families to come. Because as we've discussed, or as many people have discussed on YouTube and in various other media outlets, that there is a shift of power, there is a transferring of wealth that is occurring before us right now. Coronavirus is one item, but the bigger issue is what's happening on the financial planes. And so how countries develop their own digital currency, what they do with it, what place it has on the global marketplace, how other countries choose to interface with that is going to really be something to seriously consider as we all kind of move forward. Why is that important to us individually? Obviously, it impacts our standard of living and our ability to transfer our wealth to generations after us. But it gives us an idea. As we learn about these things, it'll give us an idea on how we want to invest and where we want to invest. As for myself, I'm really glad I jumped into the crypto space. I have to admit, I was a naysayer 10 years ago. And over the years, obviously, I've changed my point of view. And, now I'm in the space, jumped in with both feet. And I want to even get more involved in it because I definitely see this as the wave of the future. As I learn more about AI and its interface with blockchain, I just see a lot of good technical advances coming out of it, but also a big change in the way that we're going to live every day. And we're not ready for it. The truth of the matter, most of us are not ready for it. I'm not ready for it. And so I want to get myself ready. So I just wanted to take a minute, do a quick little rant, share it with you guys, give you some things to think about for yourself, and share something that I've learned, in doing this channel and in doing, the little posts and the little videos, if you will. I'm learning stuff, and it's causing me to think, and that's a really good thing. And so I'm gonna keep doing it, and I'm gonna share things with you every now and then. I'll do a rant for when I have my little aha moments, and hopefully it enlightens you as well. So you guys have a great day and many blessings.